Hey guys, hope you're doing okay. So, just an update on the Market Trend Pro indicator I'm using. So, on the US 500, so I didn't take these trades, I missed them unfortunately. On the US, on the NASDAQ, I took the dip. I got taken out, right, with three positions right here from the breakout buy, the dip, breakout buy, and the breakout buy right here. So, it took me out on three positions, and I entered on the first dip buy on this position right here. Put my stop loss on this area. I didn't put it all the way down here. Why? Because putting the stop loss all the way down here will give me a 3.2 thousand USD stop, which is way too huge depending on the capital that you have on your futures account. So this is the trade I'm in right now on NQ, and the hopes is for it to go down, take out these lows, and then continue up. But I don't want to put my technical analysis into this. This is on the daily chart, as you can see, and I don't want to use my own decision making because the indicator is making the decisions for me. This is what I'm doing. And on the Germany, on the DAX, I took the same. This was yesterday. I took this trade yesterday, and I'm showing you just to be completely transparent. This is on a paper trading account. All right. I'm not. I have to be honest with you. All right. So I'm waiting for it. The Nikkei is doing well. It's doing very well. Why? Because look at the breakout buy it did right here. It sends me an email, tells me to buy, tells me to put the stop loss right here, and this. And the nice thing about this is that it gives me a reference point, right? So you can also change the settings however you want. Say I can change the settings to make it draw the line on where I want to. These are the lows that's happening right now. So it took a buy position. You can automate this also. You don't need to sit next to the chart every time it rings. So it took a buy right here, and it told it to take a buy right here, right there, not there, right there at the top of this candle, and it's continuing up. So I'm just waiting. And you can set an alarm to this. I put in alarms. These are the top. Um, you can form the indicator to use like a specific setting for each symbol you're using, but I don't want to do that. It's too much work. So every time I choose a symbol, I need to change the setting, what is not convenient for me. I need to have one generic setting for all of them, which makes them ring the alarm when the setting is telling me to buy or sell or exit the position. Right. Have an amazing day.